Hello guys! Today I will show you how to create a cute sheep using collage technique. First step is making sketch of sheep for better understanding what we will do. I reuse foam paper from candy box. Tear off the top layer of this paper. If you don't have such a paper, you may use regular white. You may use your fingers to chip off of the round shapes of the sheep's fluffy body, or use curly scissors. If you don't have such tool, you may use regular ones. Cut out the oval shape of the head of pink paper. Glue the torso and head of sheep. Cut and glue ears. Draw the eyes. If you have wiggly eyes for craft, you may use them. Cut the nose out of brown cardboard and glue it. Draw the mouth and legs with brown markers. Next step is creation of falling snow using correction pen. The last step is making the snowflakes with paper cutter hole punch. If you don't have such a tool, you may draw them with a white ink pen. We are almost done. Please make your comments on this video and subscribe on my YouTube channel, that not to miss the new art lessons with me. Good luck and see you soon!